Since 1988, Concord Marine Electronics has been the trusted name in yacht technology. For over 35 years, we've delivered expert marine electronics service right here at Safe Harbor Lauderdale Marine Center in Fort Lauderdale. We work with the world's top brands: Garmin, Raymarine, Furuno, JL Audio, Starlink, and Crestron, bringing you the latest in yacht navigation, audio-video systems, and satellite internet connectivity. From Starlink Performance to OneWeb and MDS Blender networks, we install and support the systems that keep you connected with fast, reliable internet anywhere in the world. And when something goes wrong, we've got you covered. Our 5-star service plans provide tiered support, remote diagnostics, repairs, and 24/7 priority response. With over 175 5-star Google reviews, captains and owners trust us for precision, professionalism, and reliability. At Concord Marine Electronics, we take your yacht technology from functional to flawless.
Michael here, founder, Concord Marine Electronics. I've got a lot of customers that ask us how it is we've been in business for over 32 years. And you can take a look at our glowing Google and Facebook reviews for yourself. But our customers tell me they come back because our proposals are so accurate and our service department is second to none. And on top of that, we've got the technical depth to handle any problems that might come along. We're proud to announce that we've just opened a new location at Lauderdale Marine Center where we're closer to our customers for better service. So when you or your customers are ready for electronic systems completed on time and on budget, call the experts at Concord Marine Electronics.